So today I've decided to wash my Indian Chieftain. I've had the motorcycle around about 9 months, and this is the first time I've actually needed to wash it. Before this I've been using a product called F111. This here in my hand is the original bottle of top coat F111 that I bought. It's the best thing since sliced bread. I use it all the time. It's all you need to wash the motorcycle. So I'm going to go and wash off the wipe off the water spots. Just wipe off as much as possible before I use the top coat 111 on the motorcycle. It doesn't. The top coat doesn't like the water. You can use it when the motorcycle is still wet, but it's just better the drier the motorcycle is. Try and get the other side as dry as possible as well. Don't want any water spots. I mean, the top coat 111 will remove water spots, but why make more work for myself when I really don't have to? So the idea here is to go off as much water as possible. It doesn't have to be completely dry, but just dry enough to make the next stage easier. About to do the tyre pressures. Rear tyre 40 psi, front tyre 36 psi. This is my portable air compressor. It can be used on mains power. It can also be used via a cigarette lighter. My tyre pressures are pretty close because I check them every couple of days. So I put the Chieftain on a maintenance stand, as you can see, the red thing, the scissor stand. I just do that so that I can rotate the rear wheel when I'm cleaning it. That's the only time I use it. It is a belt drive, so that doesn't need to be checked very often. So now I'm going to drop it off the stand. So the safest way to drop this off the maintenance stand is to straddle the motorcycle and lower it down. And I really don't want this falling over. 850 pounds, it's not exactly easy to pick up again. So that's how I do it. I sit across the motorcycle, lower it all the way down, and then put the motorcycle on the side stand. So it's just the safest way. So now it's off the maintenance stand. I can put that back in the garage. That's the only thing I use this for. So now time to use the top coat. Every time you use this, it adds to the protection. So you get layer upon layer upon layer. So the way I use it is, parts of it I spray it directly on, then wipe it off until there are no streaks, and then take a second cloth and buff it. So this is the way I use it. I use one cloth to put it on and a second cloth to buff it off. It says you should just turn the cloth over, but I find this is the way I do it. It works for me that way. And you can use it on the chrome, and so it's absolutely no problem. As you can see, I'm using this on the exhaust pipe. It's perfectly safe on the exhaust. It doesn't burn off once it gets hot, doesn't stink or smoke. It just protects it. So you can see the result of just one application. Shine. Top Coat 111 can be used on all surfaces. It can be used on the bright work, it can be used on the paint work, it can be used on the wheels. I have powder coated wheels, it works well on that. It just works on every surface. I even use it and you can use it on the wheels. After I've done this front wheel, I'm going to have to get another cloth because it gets really dirty. I even use Top Coat 111 in the kitchen on my stainless steel refrigerator and stainless steel dishwasher. It works absolutely marvellous on that. So, get rid of that one. So to polish the tank, I use this. It's the same as F111, but just a little bit better and a lot more expensive, and it works just that bit much better. So I bought this bottle of F111 almost a year ago, and it's still half full. It's so little you need. So in basic terms, using Top Coat 111 and the other product I used and my rotating jet brush, I can completely clean, polish my Indian Chieftain in less than 1 hour. So that, boys and girls, is it. That is how you clean a motorcycle in less than an hour.